Hello students, welcome to 7th maths class. In our last session we have started chapter number 5, operations on rational number. Out of 4 operations of rational number, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction we have seen. Today we are going to see multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational numbers. So first is multiplication of rational numbers. See, whenever any two rational numbers or more rational numbers are to be multiplied, simply the numerators of all numbers and denominators of all numbers are multiplied. For example, first example is 9 divided by 13 into 4 divided by 7. These two rational numbers, their multiplication we have to perform. Simply we will multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 9 into 4 divided by 13 into 7. 9 into 4 is 36, 13 into 7 is 91. So this will be answer for multiplication of these two rational numbers. See next question, 3 divided by 5 into minus 4 divided by 5. Here also numerators we have to multiply and denominators we have to multiply. 3 into minus 4 divided by 5 into 5. 3 into 4 is 12, and as one number is negative, one is positive, we have to write negative mark. So minus 12. 5 into 5 is 25. So this will be answer for this question. Next question is 9 divided by 13 into 26 divided by 3. Here also multiply numerator and denominator. 9 into 26 divided by 13 into 3. So here if you will see, as in between these two numbers multiplication is there, and in denominator also between these two numbers multiplication operation is there. So if anything we can cut, then we can reduce that number. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So upside remaining only 3 and 2, and in denominator here is 1 and here is 1. That numbers multiplication we have to, so it will be 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. So answer will be 6 upon 1. So simply we can write as 6. Fourth is 3 divided by 11 into 2 divided by 5. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 into 2 whole divided by 11 into 5. So it will be 3 into 2 is 6, 11 into 5 is 55. So answer is 6 divided by 55. Next operation of rational number is division of rational numbers. To divide one rational number by another, that is to multiply the first by the multiplicative inverse of other. Now what is meant by multiplicative inverse, we will see with the help of example. Find multiplicative inverse of 5 divided by 6. So multiplicative inverse means simply just we have to reverse the number. Means 5 divided by 6, it will become 6 divided by 5. That is, the number in denominator will come in numerator and number in numerator will go in denominator. If you see the product of this two, 5 divided by 6 into 6 divided by 5, it is 5 5 cancel, 6 6 cancel, answer is 1. Means the product or the multiplication of a number into its multiplicative inverse is always 1. See second example, multiplicative inverse of minus 5 divided by 4. Here minus sign is in numerator, so that we have to keep in numerator only. So it will be 4 divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 5. It is the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 into 4. We can cross check by this one. Minus 5 divided by 4 into minus 4 divided by 5. This gets cancelled. 1 into minus 1 is 1. So our answer is correct. Just remember, important thing, just remember minus 11 by 9. Its multiplicative inverse is not 9 by 11. Because what has happened here? Here minus sign was in numerator, that is missing here. So this will not be pair of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of this will be minus 9 divided by 11. So if minus sign is there, then as it is we have to take, because we know that we can't give negative sign in denominator. Always it should be written in numerator. Now consider this examples also. 2 divided by 5, its multiplicative inverse is 5 divided by 2. Next, minus 3 divided by 8, its multiplicative inverse is minus sign as it is. This numbers reverse, it is 3 by 8, it will be 8 by 3. Next is 7. 7 is just in numerator, but in denominator there is 1. So 7 can be written as 7 divided by 1. We are not writing this denominator 1. So if its multiplicative inverse is to be found, it will be 1 divided by 7. Now you have learned what is meant by multiplicative inverse. How that is used during the division of rational numbers, we will see. For division of rational numbers, these steps you have to follow. First step is write the first number as it is. After writing that, change division sign by multiplication sign. Next, write multiplicative inverse of second number and simply multiply the two rational numbers. We will see. First example is 40 divided by 12. This number is divided by 10 divided by 4. So what we have seen, write first number as it is. So first number written as it is 40 divided by 12. Second is change division sign by multiplication. So this division sign is replaced by multiplication sign. Next is write the multiplicative inverse of second number. Your second number is 10 divided by 4. So its multiplicative inverse will be 4 divided by 10. Means this division operation now we have converted into multiplication operation. So during multiplication of rational number, what we are doing? Simply multiply numerator and denominator. So 40 into 4, this divided by 12 into 10. So it 0 gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Here number is 4 into 1 and in denominator 3 into 1. So 4 into 1 divided by 3 into 1. So it will be 4 divided by 3. Next example is minus 10 divided by 11. This number is divided by minus 11 divided by 10. So first number write as it is, minus 10 divided by 11. Second is change division sign by multiplication. Then write its multiplicative inverse, second number's multiplicative inverse. So its multiplicative inverse will be minus 10 divided by 11. Now simply multiply these two numbers. Minus 10 into minus 10, this whole divided by 11 into 11. So minus 10 into minus 10 is 100. This is divided by 11 into 11, that is 121. So this will be the answer for this question. Next is 5 divided by 2 divided by 5. Here below 5 1 is present, we are not adding that. Always denominator of every natural number is 1. So 5 is a natural number, so its denominator is 1. So we can write that as 5 divided by 1. This this division will be replaced by multiplication. And now multiplicative inverse of second, that will be 5 by 2. Simply multiply numerator and denominator. Now 5 into 5 whole divided by 1 into 2. So 5 into 5 is 25, 1 into 2 is 2. So now from practice set 22, all the remaining questions you have to solve.